Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, today I have a modern one-bedroom apartment. It's in the Eden, the most exclusive complex in Observatory. And let's have a look at what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to show you the outside just now. It's a generous entertainment, dining area, living area. A place for an office. The student here has just finished her articles, and that's why the owner who bought the property as an investment, that's why he's thinking of, that's why he's now selling this unit. It overlooks another apartment block right opposite, and the tenant here coming from Durban was very happy to not feel all lonely in the block, and she actually befriended quite a few people, she says, in the block opposite. This is the bedroom. There's two sets of double built-in cupboards. As you can see, there are blinds, so you can block out the neighbors, the view. I'm Werner, your estate agent. If you want to know more, then do visit my website, hotpropertyincapetown.com, where I will show you a floor, where you can see a floor plan and video and more details of this specific unit. This is quite a comfortable shower also here. This is the extent of the inside, and I'm going to show you now going down what the rest of the block looks like. Right, so I've just said goodbye to the tenant, and this is your floor, the 6th floor, where we are going down with the lift. I'm gonna catch you at the bottom now.
Closing. Elevator is going down.
Okay, so we're going down. Just to also let you know that this specific apartment has got its own parking bay under the building, in the garage, a dedicated unit there for every flat. It also has a swimming pool, a laundry, a gym. It's all part of what you find at this unit. So here we're at the ground floor, coming out just to show you what it looks like, heading towards the reception area, where everybody has to book in. You can see it's all professionally looking. The guard is 24/7 on duty here. Thank you, Mr. Security. I'm out. There is where you'd be coming in and out if you go to the shops, for instance. This is the outside of the building. Seems to be suddenly a busy street. This is the parking area where you'd be driving in when you come home from wherever you've been. And you can see just by looking at the garden that this unit is most exclusive. Attention to detail that you find in this block. So, as I say, if you want to know more, visit my website, hotpropertyincapetown.com. It's a one-bedroom apartment in this exclusive block with excellent security. It's called the Eden.